All right, so this is a 6-inch zone lift. I have the keys turned all the way down at the front here. I'm running a 3-inch block. The block, I don't know if you can see. So I got it's running right on the bump stops, but CV axles are pretty much just about pointing down. I got about a 1-inch rake with a 3-inch block, but it sits like just a little bit higher than a level kit, like a level turned all the way up. So probably sitting about 3 inches right now. The ride's pretty good.